Hi all of you, in this video I am going to show you the architecture of Ansible. So as you all know, this is my DevOps tool. Okay, this is my IT automation tool. This is my configuration management tool. Okay, so first let me show you what is Ansible. It is owned by Red Hat. Okay, and as you can see that there is a certification also for Ansible, but uh, I prefer you to learn first Ansible, like what is configuration management tool and how it works. Okay, so it is a DevOps tools, as you all learning DevOps from me, as well as if you are a developer, so you should also learn this tool because it is widely used in companies. If you are a developer and you know this tool, I think your pay will be increased. Okay, so that is how these things works. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so like this is your let me remove this first. So yeah, this is your Ansible server, and these are your nodes means your server means your remote computer, in simple words. Okay, so these are your servers. So this is your Ansible. Let me write just a. Okay, so this is your Ansible server. Okay, why my writing is so horrible? Because I am writing with this mouse. Okay, so don't judge me on this. So these are your nodes, these are all server. Okay, let me write node for you all. Node 1, node 2, node 3. Okay, and what type of nodes they are? Like this, these are nodes. Okay, which we we make EC2 instance, we make your Linux machine, your Amazon machine, your Mac OS machine. So these are your remote server. So okay, so these 1 2 machine as well. So these are your remote server. So these are your nodes. Okay, so how to make connection uh, from Ansible server to these nodes? By SSH. Okay, so these nodes communicate with SSH server. Use not SSH server, these nodes communicate with this server using SSH. Okay, SSH is your secure shell protocol. Okay, so here as well SSH. Okay, so in Ansible we also write playbook. Okay, which are written in YAML, as you already learned YAML before this video. Okay, that was my previous video. So I think there is not a problem in learning YAML. So your script file is also written in this YAML. Okay, so this is your. So now a very common question will be like creating in your mind, like uh, what is the main purpose of YAML? Oh, sorry, YAML, not YAML, your Ansible. So your Ansible is configuration management tool, which means if there are let me open, let me just do back. So there are two nodes. Okay, there are two machines. If you want to install like anything like Python or any software. Okay, like let's take an example. Like if you want to install this whiteboard app, this whiteboard software in this two server, in these two machines, so you can do it manually as well. Okay, there is no need of automation. But if there are thousands or 10,000s of these machines, how can you do? You can't do manually. Okay, you have to write a script for that, which is written in your Ansible in with the help of YAML. Okay, and it will automate all. And you have to give these servers IP address to that script, and that script will Ansible will install software in all your machines. Okay, so that is the work of your software. So that, so yeah, I want to show you as well. This is my certificate of excellence, DevOps Plus. That is my certification. So yeah, that's about Ansible. I think you all are now familiar with this. So just read read. I think there is no uh, Ansible is written in, you can see that in Python, PowerShell, Shell, Ruby. Okay, so and it works on Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and Windows as well. So this is its documentation. You can read it out, but I think the practical work is more. I prefer practical work more. So there is no need to, I think, read this. If you want to read, if you have time, you can read it as well. But I think I will teach you by doing, okay, by doing hands-on lab on Ansible on my Linux machine from scratch. I will be teaching you from scratch how to automate using Ansible from next video. So just subscribe to my channel, and you will be learning a lot of content related to DevOps, cloud, and also front end development. So yeah, that's about it. That's about for today, and I will be meeting you in my next